Hey guys, how's it going? Well, these are my two IBM laptop programming computers. These are really nice. I had a T41, I believe it was, and these are the IBM ThinkPads, but I had a T41 and it was nice, but there were just a couple little things that kind of irritated me about them. So I went ahead and decided to move up to a T60, and these have 2 gigabytes of RAM, 80 gig hard drives. They're just I think 14-inch screen. They've got USB connectors. The docks, one of them is a Lenovo. And actually I like this dock better. This is the eject. This, when you set the computer in, you turn it on and off here, and you can also push a button and it will change, I believe it changes the screen. I believe that's what it does. I haven't hooked up, I have hooked up an external monitor to the laptops direct, but I don't know too much about computers, so bear with me. But this one has less, this docking station has less features because it doesn't have a, but damn, they're in such nice shape. And for a backup, I don't mind this. They're all 4 USB ports. You've got a mouse port, you've got Ethernet, phone line, and display. And then you've got your power. And so, you know, I mean, that's, and then you've got your eject button and your power button. So that's nice, but on the Lenovo, and I could be saying that wrong. If I am, well, you know, live with it. This has a lock on it. Then you turn this around and you're actually, you've got four USB ports, you got a mouse port, you got telephone, Ethernet, display, then you've got this display that goes to my Dell computer, then a mic and headphones, then you've got the 9-pin, that's really necessary unless you have a 9-pin to USB adapter. Then it's got a printing port. So this will be my main one that I'm going to be working on. And I mean, they're just in fantastic shape. Really nice. And these have CD RWs. They got Bluetooth on them. Infrared. Then they've got, yeah, this is the CDRW DVD drive. Then you've got your USBs here. What is that, a Kensington lock? I think that's what they call that. On this side, you have your, these do have built-in Wi-Fi. You've got your display. You've got your Ethernet. You know, pretty much replicates the stock. You've got your dual PMC or piece. Well, I'm not sure what they are, but they're wireless cards. Those slots, and those are dual. Like I said, I don't know too much about computers, but I do know what works and what works for me. And these computers are all business. Real nice display on them. And you've got your, it's got the Think Light, which is really nice, but you got your trackpad, which is something I really like. Then you've got your track point, where you move your mouse around, and these are kind of incidental. Then it's got fingerprint scan, so you can actually log on with your fingerprint. And all, I mean, these things couldn't be in nicer shape. They hold a decent charge, but at the same time, they are dual core. They've got Centrino, Intel Centrino dual core, or maybe they're just duo. You guys can tell me about that. And this is just a carbon copy. All of them are loaded up. All of them are loaded up and ready for business. I needed to log in. With without having to click an icon screen. But yeah, they turned out really, really nice. You've got all your information there. And this has a fingerprint scan as well. But man, I couldn't ask for a couple better laptops. This has, and both of them have think lights up here up top. And man, they really work in the dark. They shed a lot of light. Shed a great deal of light onto that keypad. And that's nice because the T41 and the T23 didn't do that. Oh, I'm running out of time. Damn it. It's blinking. Anyway, I'm going to try and hurry fast because I think I'm running out of card space. But real nice computers. Both of them have CD, DVD, CD, RWs, and they both have Centrino dual processors. Both run XP Pro, and both loaded up to the hilt with programming software. So really, really good computers. Very good. I'm real stoked to have them. I'm glad to have them. Having one as a backup is really nice because, there's a lot of times when something can go wrong with a computer, and it's a bitch when you don't have the parts and you've got something to do. But I've loaded it up with PowerPoint, and I've got PowerPoint and Microsoft Office with Microsoft Word and all that. But these will do XDS 3000s, XDS 5000s, HT 1250s, 750s, 1550s. They'll do XDS 2500s, Astro Sabers. Let's see, what else will they do? MTX radios, MTS 2000s. Trying to think. They both have RSS programming software on them, and I mean like a ton. And I've got a library of manuals and service manuals on both of them, so if one does go bad, I can jump over to the next one, and that's really, really nice. But if you're looking for a good programming computer, man, these ThinkPads are really good, and if I were you, I would go with an IBM, because they take the bullshit out, and you're getting a lot less of the bullshit and a lot more for productivity, and they run really clean and they run really well. They read and write radios really, really well. The specs on them are just really nice, and there's not a whole bunch of different gaming and bullshit like that on there, You know, they've just made them really, really well. But yeah, these are my